found a way to stop the train. It might be a little glitch, but Rockstar could have put it in there for a reason, to make it hard. So basically what you want to do is, you see this point of interest, you want to go there, there'll be a parachute mission there, and then you do that, see, look there, so you go there, you click on the parachute, or you go to the helicopter, find the helicopter, you'll end up getting here, and then what you can do, just skip this, and then what you do, once you're up here, you jump out of the plane, and then parachute basically, and then you'll see you have to land on this train. Well, I think you do, I'm not too sure. So basically you go here, if I can make it, quick, let's go, basically, this is going to be close. Okay, I did it. So, what you want to do is you get here, and then you press continue, and then don't have any sticky bombs, could be a problem, but probably what you can do, just fire one of these, there you are, and then your train is stopped. I know you might think, so basically you get up here, you get on, doesn't have to be this particular thing, what you have to do is shoot down there, blows up, and then you've got this, you can, got the inside of that, carry on walking, you can see it's basically derailed, or stopped, there's a way to get it off, so yeah, so basically now you've done that, it only will work with the train from the parachute thing. I think you can also blow this up. Yeah, see, yeah. I just blew up that. So yeah, you can jump from here, and then you can climb up, do pretty much anything. And then if you go to the front, I know what you're all thinking. Oh, you can go inside, but you can't actually. So basically, sorry about this. So you can get in here, keep going, you see the captain is dead. And then if I go inside, I'm going to the front. And then you can see that the train has stopped. So please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, and stay tuned for the other videos that will be uploaded in the next video. So you can see the whole interior, everything is, it's burnt, it's like basically blown up. Okay, and I think if like you wanted to wait long enough, you don't have to, but if you wait long enough, you can wait for the other train to come. Maybe that train might actually stop as well because this one's in the way. I'm not going to go and experiment that. I'm going to leave that up for all of you guys, all of you awesome guys. So that is how you stop the train.